There. That should do it. Hey! 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 Blazer! Wake up! What? Oh, what do you want this time, dude? I'm trying to sleep. Have you looked in the mirror? Why are you saying that? Oh, trust me. You're all white now. What? Let me go see. This better be not another prank, or I swear I'm gonna whoop your ass. Who wrote that? Huh? Blazerak is a big, fat bitch? You Oh, you think that's so funny, huh? Oh, that's it! No! Oh! No! You stupid miserable! You stupid miserable! Hey! That's enough! That's enough! That's enough! Ow! Both of you, on that chair. Let's go! Both of you, sit. I honestly can't believe you two have often been pranking each other just to make fools of yourselves. It's not my problem. Besides, Blazerak started it because he placed a whoopee cushion in my bed. Well, that was just one time. You have been starting this since 6th grade. Either way, both of you stop it right now, or there's gonna be hell to pay. Got it? Or what? What are you gonna do? Call your mommy? Yeah. That's it. Right. That's it. Wait, what are you doing? Time to give you two a brutal beating. What the? What the? Hey! What the hell? Ow! 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 What the hell? Ow! Stop it! Behave, you two, or there's gonna be hell to pay! Ow! Take that! And that! Whoa! No! Ow! Whoa! Oh, ow. Blazerak, what do you say? Truce? Ugh. Yeah, truce.